Hi, I'm Elle. I just wanted to drop in to see if you are feeling inspired to do the rest of your website as well as just your about page. So as you may know, the about page template forms part of my wider Website Words Workshop. And this is where I teach you how to write psychology focused website copy for 3 pages on your site. So for your home page, for your about page, which of course is the module you're doing right now, and for your how I work page. I also teach you the clever trick that copywriters use to do voice of customer research, which basically is everything you need to do before you start writing in order to make sure your copy really resonates, and also to make sure you're not starting to write from a blank screen because no one likes that. I also talk through sales psychology tips, a bit of SEO. There's also a couple of bonuses, one from a website designer who will talk you through some tips for website design, and also one from a content marketing expert who talks you how to write content for your business, which of course goes hand in hand with copy. So if you are inspired, if you're in go-getting mode, if you're in taking action mode, get things done mode, you may be interested to do the Website Words Workshop as well. It's over 4 weeks. The modules are drip fed, so it's definitely not overwhelming. You kind of tackle each page each week, and it really doesn't feel like too much and too overwhelming. That was the last thing I wanted for the course. So if you're interested, you can have the chance to purchase now. If not, I know you'll get so much value from the about page template, and really having a great about page is really a conversion changer for your website. So I'm so happy that you decided to do this. Please let me know how you're getting on Instagram. Either send me a DM or tag me. I would love to support you. I would love to give you tips. So please make sure you're letting me know how you're getting on as you write. And good luck. And I hope to see you in the Website Words Workshop. And if not, good luck with your about page.